Alright, so no intro, this is not 4K, so this is a quickie. I was thinking about calling it what to do when you don't know what to do. And I'm always looking for a new way to do things I've done before, so why not unbox a mystery product? And in the interest of not doing this in the way that I've done before, I'm going to unbox it, and you're going to have to guess what it is that I'm unboxing. But you'll get to see my reaction as I unbox it, so that'll be really fun. Let's do this. Extra fun. I'm going to see if I can put this on both Instagram and YouTube. It might be too wide for Instagram, but that's okay. Alright, box. Very nicely packaged. So one of the few times I've actually been early to the game. That used to be not a thing when I started this channel. Oh, when did I start this channel? 5 years ago. Wasn't doing that many unboxings then, but actually no, my very first video on this channel was an unboxing. And let's see, I have to think about it because there's a lot more on the brain than one was when I started it. Okay. Yes, I got my invoice. The wonderful thing now about ordering things here from Sweetwater, well, of course, I really like how they're packaged. I was going to say the wonderful thing is that now you have to pay tax. California sales tax. I think it's California sales tax. Anyway, tax has to be added on. On the bright side, though, that saves me having to pay tax later. You know, so. Might as well pay it now, even though it is a little bit annoying that the price you see isn't the price you actually pay for the product. But this look nice? Ooh, it's a nice black box. Like, yeah, comes with, ooh, software included. The box feels really good. Oh, this is going to change a few things. Oh, does it come with discs? Interesting. No, it doesn't. Downloads as usual, which is fine. I just had, I got stickers. Stickers, very nice. Light themed and dark themed. Oh, okay. Offer for a subscription for more sounds. You can always do with more sounds. Okay, the setup guide gives me a link to the setup guide. Yes, very nice. We'll definitely be using that. And now for the thing itself. It's heavy-ish. I mean, it's not too heavy to lift, but okay. So I guess I have to give you some hints. There's a USB cable. Very nice. Oh, this is hard, guys. Now I'm feeling it. Oh, wow. Okay. Feels pretty solid. I don't know why, but I shouldn't try to bend it. That's just not very smart. Okay. Wow. Okay, I think this is going to change some things for me, which is exciting. And next week you get to find out what it is.